and my fellow students today here with you is actually that what is to talk about. Thank you.
Wahab Muhammad. Nemo Abdul Wahab Muhammad.
Good afternoon, my teachers and classmates and my friends. My name is Nima Abdul Wahab. I wanted to talk about fear and the science. Fear is good for a student, but science is not good for a student. If you study here, please stop and the science teacher Abdul Qadir.
Farkun Ismail, Alasabia Farkun Ismail, Swahili Grupi.
Vinara, walimu na wanafunzi wenzangu, jioni njema. Baada ya salama, mbele yenu ni Farkun Ismail Muhammad. Leo nimetayarisha hotuba kuhusu maramshi ya wanafunzi shuleni. Mimi ni wanafunzi wa darasa la 8 katika shule ya msingi ya Iti. Haradara ni mmojawapo wa viongozi wa wanafunzi humu shuleni. Ningependa kutoa shukrani zangu za dhati kwa fursa hii niliyopewa kusimama mbele yenu ili kuwazungumzia kuhusu hali ya chakula, maji na takataka, bila kusahau hawa ndege wanafunzi kuweza kujuzia katika suluhisho la shida zetu. Asante sana.
Principal,
teachers, and my fellow students. Today I am important opinions. I want to tell the topic on thinking. Thinking is very important about speaking English, because whatever you can think, you can develop some habit. Thinking is very thinking. Take this time in the beginning, it will be part of your environment, and I want to become for our environment. Before I clear it, I will understand my teachers, especially principal Hassan Abdullah, otherwise.
Okay, thank you, Abdi. Hudo Hilal Abdi. Our Hudo Hudo Hilal Abdi.
Good afternoon, teachers and my friends. It is my first day to stand in front of you. My name is Sobo. I am 10 years old. I live in Hagadera, Sidika. I also read school subject. Thank you.
Just welcome to Ahmed Jamaya. Ahmed, welcome.
Mr. MC and my fellow students today we are Mr. Ahmed wants to talk about myself. I listen to me carefully. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmed. I'm 15 years old. I was born on 5 November 2007. I live in Kenya, Garissa County with my parents. I have two elder brothers and younger sister. My father is Kalak, my mother is the housewife. I Kalagia, it is the shop and straight. The chicken is the going road. I am smelling inside. I studied in Paris, directed of my studies. Thank you all.
أصحاب تقاليد subscribe like share comment. Thank you. DJ Camera.